Asher's Day presents a learning moment with yoga.
Hi! Welcome to Asher's Day.
Please subscribe and click that bell. The first step to tree pose is to bring your palms together at your heart. Next, you're going to cross your ankle, or if you're feeling up for a challenge, you could try to bring one leg to your knee. On the opposite side, make sure to breathe deeply.
Bring that foot on your ankle or challenge. Yeah.
Whoa.
Balance. All about balance. If you focus on that one spot that you picked, you are strong and deep-rooted. You are a strong tree. No wind can blow you over. Nobody can chop you down. You are strong and tall.
And then now we switch sides, okay? Great job to Asher and you at home. Please subscribe and click that bell. You don't want to miss out on new videos.